Hello and welcome back to a FiveM Server Development video. This is episode 6, so we've already got the server started. We're going to hop into the game and I'm going to show you a couple of things that I've done. So here we have ESX multi-character working properly. I join it as the server, and here's what I've done already. So we'll buy a new car then, shall we? So you can see in front of me there's gates and there's a garage door here, so, and there's a couple of signs here as well. I've also added a couple more of these bollard things around the place. This is to stop people getting up there. Yes, be scared. That's about what I've done with this area. Anyway, we're going to go to another area now, and I'll show you what I've done there as well. I uploaded a video on it yesterday, so if you saw that then you might already know what I'm on about. But if you saw the video and you didn't actually know what it was, then, well, I'll tell you now. Oh, well, you can see it from here anyway. Well, it's that up there. It's the billboard. No, that's roughly what I remember doing. I might have done a couple other things, but I added a garbage job as well. That's what I did. So what we're going to do now is, well, I'm going to return this vehicle to the garage first, even though it's got no fuel. I'm going to put some fuel in it, then return it to the garage. I'm just going to put on my seatbelt. Whoops. RDM. Okay. We're going to head back over to here. We've got a couple of things we're going to try installing. One of them is a compass and street name HUD, basically. Yeah. Open a new window. Next data, TBDRP, resources. I'm just going to rename it compass. And in the server.csg start compass. Okay, and we're gonna modify simple car HUD because when we go into cars, if I go into this, you'll see we have miles per hour, fuel, time, cruise control, and we have the street names. But we're gonna disable the street names. So we're going to simple car HUD. Seatbelt location. We should be able to disable the location and time. No, you should be able to get time and display. So we're going to remove a couple of these. Get heading and zone, yep. Update location. So now we'll try to, so hopefully we're going to be able to disable the location basically. So we've restarted that. Let's try going into it now. Yeah, here we go. So that's working now. Now what we're going to do next is start compass. Wait, refresh, sorry. And start compass. There we go. And the compass is working now. Do get to keep it upon. Yeah, I mean, let's see if we can change that because actually no, we'll keep that just in case you want to make a phone call to the police or something and you want to give them your location, which is a good idea. Man, I knocked him out in one punch. Okay, so next we're gonna try importing an inventory. So we're gonna stop the server and we're gonna use someone else's inventory because we're lazy like that. So I think we have to import both of these and then go to the server config, do start Linden inventory, start ESX inventory HUD. That can go in here anyway, because that's part of ESX. Check version, yep, sure. Number of player slots. Weapons license, false. So we've gotta use this. That's fine, we're not using licenses. I didn't realise those different ones. So if we run that, yeah, there we go. Okay. So we've got the FX server closed. Okay, good. And we need to go into ES extended, I believe. Enable default inventory to false. Delete the cache as it's good practice. Then I guess we'll start the server. Okay, why couldn't you start that? Does it have other dependencies? It might have other dependencies. Just make sure there isn't other dependencies. FX manifest. I mean, kind of both. I mean, I don't know. So does it actually say the reason why it couldn't start? Couldn't find. Okay, it's literally just dependency. Okay, so I'll download that dependency. Okay, so we'll go to here. Try this then. That probably won't work if you don't add start to the front of it. Well, that wasn't linked anywhere in the GitHub, so that I could see. In the readme anyway, I mean. I've got Mythic Notify. I need Mythic Progress Bars. Yay! Okay. Yep, I got that. Okay. So we go to ES extended. Is the server closed? Nope, the server's not closed. Because I like keeping the server open for some reason. So do that. Use his ES extended. Because it just makes things easier. Funnily enough. Delete the cache. Go to recycle bin, delete everything. Then we'll try starting the server now. Oh, I'll go back to here. Multi-character is disabled. I need to enable that because I completely forgot about that. Enable multi-character, true. Okay, I just restart the server again because it wasn't working. I hadn't enabled multi-character and I think that might have messed with a couple of things, so Okay, instead of waiting for that to do its thing, we're just gonna jump back in this way. So I'm checking the error log just in case it comes up with something. So we've got an error. Citizen scripting, no such export. Get player inventory and resource legend inventory. Okay. I'll try downloading this version of Gatti. Okay. Okay, that's different to what I have. For whatever reason. Doesn't make any sense, but that's different to what I have. So we'll stop the server. As always. Move these in. Delete that, because it tells you to delete that. We'll delete the cache, because that's just standard procedure, and then we'll start the server again. Okay, now we've got a new line. A couple of new lines. Loaded 30 additional items from the database. Inventory setup is complete. Okay. So this might be proving that it's going to work now. We'll soon find out. There we go. There we have it. We've got it working now. Yeah, it was just the Gatti MySQL thing being a problem. So now we've got that, we can delete these. We are now gonna try to import ESX duty. Actually, do I want ESX duty as the thing? Yeah, I think I do. ESX add-ons, ESX duty. Refresh. Start ESX duty. Okay. That might be config n. Also got to import that SQL. Sorry, what I did just there was I went into the config and I changed it from SV to N, as you can see there. I believe we also need to import this job's SQL. And then go back into the server, restart. Okay, that says emptor. Go back on duty. You went off duty. Can I actually get back on duty? Not by the looks of it, no. You know what, it might be. It might be because the SQL hasn't like refreshed yet, if that makes sense. And sometimes you have to restart. I find that it's best to restart the server when you've updated your SQL. So now if I go into the game, hopefully it should let me go on and off duty. Okay, off duty. You can see in the top left now, top right, sorry, it says off duty boss. Now I went on duty. Okay. If I go off duty, can I still access? No, I can't. That's bloody perfect. So, because we've finished doing that now, we can come back out of that, go to new folder, and remove that. And do all that. So we're going to go back on duty now. Okay, for some reason that isn't working. You can't get your own weapons for some reason. Let's try going outside and getting a car. Okay, so that works. Nice. I might move this marker. Yeah, I think I'm going to move this marker. Probably move it to about here. Go to ESX add-ons. Police job config. Spawner. Go to miss settings. Developer tools, show coordinates. 425.72. 1013.1, and then that'll do. So if we now restart ESX police job, we now have it here, so we can just go into here, and yeah. Another thing we want to do is we need to view our cars, because I don't know what they were called, and we need to add them to the police job. Sub. I think that was the only one. So we can now remove that and remove that. Save that. Okay. Attempt to call a nil value field add weapon. Okay, that might be because we're not using Lyndon's ESX. We might need to be using his ESX police job. So we're going to download this. We're going to stop the server this time, and we're going to go and import all of this. So we're going to do everything except for the config. And then maybe we might need to import this, I don't know. No, okay. Just making sure as always. And then we're going to delete the cache. Then start the server. And hopefully that fixes the issue of not being able to add a weapon. Okay. So we'll see what happens when we go to the inventory and try to buy a weapon. Nope. It's having problems with the police job. Okay. It already comes with that apparently. So we are going to go to the police job, and we're going to remove armories. Okay, so we have the blip and the inventory of the armory, but how does one... Ah, okay. Down here, oh, that's quite clear. Right. We'll try that now, and if that doesn't work, then I don't know. So we'll stop the server. We'll delete the cache. We'll go to the recycle bin, delete some stuff in there, and start the server. Okay, here's the police armory. Okay. So I've got that working now. What I want to do is go into the config. Yeah, that's already set to true. Wait. Okay, we need to get an image for the carbine rifle. So I'm just trying to match what's on here with what's over here. Oh, there we go then. So now we've got the carbine rifle. We're going to try calling it carbine rifle just in case. I'm going to restart the server. Not clearing the cache right now. We'll see if that gives us the image now. Yeah, here we go. So we've got the carbine rifle working now. Lovely. Well, that's going to be all for this video. I hope you've enjoyed. Make sure to check out the description for the Discord and Patreon, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Goodbye. Oh, one more thing. Have a good night, evening, day, or whatever time it happens to be there for you. Goodbye.